What if I told you your Mercedes-Benz has powerful hidden features that most owners never use? Features designed to make your drive safer, smarter, and way more luxurious. Mercedes functions that feel almost like cheat codes. Stay till the end, because feature number 1 could completely change how you use your car every single day. Is your car blowing only hot or cold air no matter what you set? Don't worry, I'll show you a quick fix you can do yourself. Welcome back to Auto Care Secret. Today, we're unlocking 10 secret Mercedes functions that feel almost like cheat codes. Feature number 1, key fob window control. Did you know you can open or close all windows using just your key fob? Simply press and hold the unlock button and watch your windows roll down. Perfect for cooling the cabin before you even step inside. Feature number 2, hidden ambient light customization. Many models allow deep ambient lighting control inside the infotainment settings. You can change colors, brightness, and even create mood themes. Night drives suddenly feel like first-class travel. Feature number 3, auto parking assist trick. Your car doesn't just help you park, it can practically do it for you. Activate active park assist and lightly control the brake while the steering works automatically. Stressful tight parking? Gone. Feature number 4, remote engine start via app. Using the mobile app, you can start the engine remotely to pre-cool or preheat your car. Step into perfect temperature every time. Feature number 5, follow me home headlights. After locking the car, your headlights can stay on for a short time to light your path to the door. A simple but genius safety feature. Feature number 6, secret sound personalization. Some models allow you to adjust system sounds and driving feedback tones. Subtle tweaks can make the car feel uniquely yours. Feature number 7, ECO start/stop memory hack. In certain models, you can configure driving modes so the car remembers your preferred start/stop behavior. Less button pressing, more smooth driving. Feature number 8, hidden storage compartments. Check under seats, armrests, and trunk panels. Mercedes engineers love hiding extra storage spaces for valuables and emergency items. Feature number 9, tire pressure display shortcut. Instead of guessing, access the live tire pressure monitor through the steering wheel controls. It helps prevent uneven wear and improves fuel efficiency. Feature number 10, speed limit warning adjustment. You can customize how and when your car warns you about speed limits. Gentle reminders can save you from costly tickets. So there you have it, 10 hidden Mercedes-Benz features that can make your ownership experience smarter and more enjoyable. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another secret car tip. This is Auto Care Secret, making car knowledge simple, powerful, and practical. See you in the next video.